Hello, dear people, welcome back. So, today's topic is about leadership. In my opinion, there are two stages to becoming a leader. Firstly, is the admiration phase, wherein you try to observe those qualities, traits, and personality characteristics of somebody who's already leading some positions or maybe in some leadership positions, right? You observe the qualities, but you don't actually get them into execution. The second phase is wherein the massive change happens. You try to behave like a leader by actually implementing those qualities and adding some of your own so that it adds value to your leadership journey. Here are three C's that can actually help in adding those values. So first C is about clarity. Leadership comes with clarity. You should have a clarity and great precision in each and every step of your work or your journey. Nextly, have confidence. Great confidence helps become a great leader. And lastly, compassion. You have to be compassionate in your journey because being compassionate is being consistent. And when you're consistent, your leadership journey has amazing results. Try to execute all those leadership qualities with these three C's, and I will see you in the next one. All the very best for your leadership journey.